This is North Muskham level crossing with Shane, Andrew, Adam.
No, it's actually Norwell Lane.
Same thing.
Nottinghamshire. Joey's emphasis.
Yes. Wow, it's Nottinghamshire.
Nottinghamshire.
Yeah, we're still in the midst of Storm Abigail.
I think it's Abigail.
Sad face.
South Muskham.
What is that? Look at that! That is the biggest electric wire I've ever seen. Yes?
Yeah, when this was up, it was like a tractor.
Why did we choose the day of all days?
I didn't.
Why did we choose tomorrow?
Because it's Sunday.
Not being sarcastic. Why don't we choose tomorrow?
Yeah, the alarm's worse like the alarm.
Okay, it's calming down a bit, but I have a feeling it's coming from that cloud there.
Yeah, it is. So the further we go Doncaster way, the more we'll find. Just say Rexford way to be more practically correct.
We might if we keep going, we might.
What time is it, Fabe?
We might get it to
11:09.
Retford Station.
The train's the 10:56.
Anyway, the time.
Do you think we should do Retford Station?
56.
If we have time, Retford Station.
I'll just notice that barrier like there. Look at the second one of that barrier. It's dead. It's dead as the door now.
Nothing that way. Nothing that way.
9:55. Can we get the 9:55?
Nothing yet.
Don't know.
Danger overhead line wires, yada yada yada. It's all the same stuff.
The 10:56 one. 1 Alpha 22.
2 Alpha 22. It's not a Matlock.
What does GR stand for?
Virgin Trains East Coast.
Here's an 82.
82.
Where did 2 come from? Wait, this looks like what? I don't think this is a paint. Yes, it is a painted one.
This will be an up they go and go they go. Quite easily.
Here's a thing. Cheers. 82 to 11. 91 105. The King's Cross.
Could they stay?
Once again, this is North Muskham level crossing. In the midst of Storm Abigail with Andrew, Adam and Shane.
Refresh your page. You need to find the 1111. Yeah, it's just at Newark.
That's dead. Whatever growed in there.
Growed?
Grew.
Grew. English.
I'm dying.
Don't die on me.
Yeah, don't die.
Talk about the battery either. PA. Like PG tips. Teabag.
Oh, wait,
With the monkey.
Is this hail? This is hail.
Feck, I hate hailstones.
It's hail.
Because they hurt! Okay, this hurts. It's hailstones! Why is it hailstones? Oh look, the cloud's going. Look, if you look, the cloud's actually going that way. I don't want a shower! I don't want to be clean. Well, I do, but still. Yeah, this is for the Northern Lights to Aberdeen.
Don't call it Virgin Trains unless you don't like London Euston.
Yeah.
Go for Adam Bray, Golden Minecart.
Yeah, you are
I think I hear a hust.
Joe.
Ah!
He's a big
I
man.
went right behind me.
Here's a hust. Yeah, I thought I heard a hust.
Joe is
Hail
a
Abigail.
trespasser.
Here comes a hust.
Everyone, guess what? Joe is a
Is he going to
trespasser.
toot it as well? Because the
Look,
football's
it drops a
there.
little bit and raises its cord. Look, it drops a little bit here and then raises it.
Hello, hust. What are you? You are 43 to 74. 43 299.
What? 299? Well, there you go.
Yes, off to Aberdeen on the Northern Lights. That's first stop is York, anyways.
Thank you, guys.
That's it.
See you in the next video.
Here we are now back at North Muskham.
As it's North Muskham level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Faith, Shane and Adam.
And rain.
Right, time is 11:15, way through 11:30. Wanna go? 6 from Glasgow, 7 to 1.
Yes, this is for your Glasgow, London, and probably something else. And here comes that weather again.
That's Abigail.
7th of November 20.
Yep.
But according to the clouds, the end is over by Batley.
1 echo
Buffalo's still up.
of 6.
But the end, I think we're coming out of the storm. If you look at the clouds, I think we're coming out of Storm Abigail.
Buffalo's just gone down.
Yeah, bath. Come on.
Bath.
You need a bath.
You need a bath. Let's just say that Joe needs
Yes,
a bath.
it's stopping. The rain is stopping.
Rain. Joe goes down Bartley because he needs a bath. There we go. Here are the witnesses who want to go 6 to Glasgow.
This storm is making my battery on my iPod die. Like really.
Yeah, I know. I need to use the charger.
Good thing it's nearly over, he says.
Look at this.
Yeah, we're caught up after this, so we'll go to the next one. Cromwell, we can invade Joe's caravan. Has he left his caravan at the caravan side?
I think so.
Yay! We can smash his caravan wall. That's one of the ideas. I want to do the idea.
This is definitely being stuck into one whole video.
Yeah.
Look at that. Still snapped.
Oh,
When?
why?
How?
How?
Well,
Still exists.
Will Scriven.
Yay!
I
Please stop, you stupid storm.
At least it stopped raining. Oh, as soon as I say that.
It's stopped for now. And we all look like we've been to a swimming pool.
You are.
Yeah, you were a minute ago back when you were like, I'm a swimming pool. Yay, alarm. Right, we know it's a Yod man and we know it's Clifford and Snell.
What?
Is that really Clifford and Snow?
Snell.
Snell.
Clifford and S-N-E-L-L.
Stink.
There's some weird shit coming from the
Some what?
sugar beet factory.
Weird shit.
Coming from the sugar beet factory.
Yeah, some weird shit.
Excuse the French there, but still, even though it's not French, it's English.
Look, that is completely bent
It's
and it's got
Spanish.
mud on it.
Yeah. You see, you can just take that off and run off with it. That's an idea, Joe. Thought run a nick over across the nick of barrier lights.
Yeah, like he tried to make it off. That's how the
Yeah.
light goes.
I have permission to take that plate off of GNC.
Yeah. Joe didn't. Joe was just like, oh, I'll try randomise Ely level crossing.
Oh, I'll
And
take
get away with it.
Here's the thing.
There's something. Let's just hope that my battery.
I think.
Not.
Joe stands on the.
Oh, yep. 82.
From Glasgow Central to London Kingsborough is 82 to 82 to 31. And 91 129 to London King's Cross.
And up they go.
And there it goes. And let's move on to the next crossing because that's it.
Let's go see the next one.